Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off silent mode on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. If your phone isn't making any sound for calls or notifications, I'll show you 2 ways to switch silent mode off. Now I'm going to start on the home screen on my phone. I need to open the Settings app. If you can't find the Settings app on your phone, you can tap the Google search bar and search for Settings. You'll then be able to open the app directly from the search results. I'm going to return to the home screen, however, and open the Settings app from there. Once you're in Settings, we need to scroll down and tap on the Sounds and Vibration option. On my phone, both the ring and notification volume are set to 0, which means the phone is currently in silent mode. To turn silent mode off, I'm simply going to increase the ring volume, and as I do that, the notification volume also increases automatically, and silent mode is turned off. Now let me show you a quicker way to do the same thing. Let's return to our home screen. I'm going to press one of the volume buttons on the side of my phone. You can press either the volume up or volume down button. It doesn't really matter, as both will display the volume controls. The volume slider now appears on the right-hand side of the screen. From here, I can adjust the media volume if I want to, but that wouldn't turn silent mode off on its own. To do that, I need to tap the silent icon at the top of the volume slider. You'll now see different sound modes are available. You can choose to change your phone to vibrate only, but I'm going to choose the sound on option. As soon as I do that, silent mode is disabled, and my phone is back in normal sound mode. If you tap the 3 dots at the bottom of the volume slider, you'll open the full sound settings page we looked at previously. From here, you can adjust your ring, notification, media, call, or alarm volumes individually to suit your preferences. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.